What's up, y'all? Welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. How are we feeling? And a happy Saturday to you. 14 days in, 2 weeks, baby. We're unstoppable. We're unstoppable. I don't think I have a song for you today. I don't. I have an album that I've been recommended and I haven't got to listen yet. It's by Sid Sriram. I will try to drop it in the comments after I upload this video because I don't have too much time, but I wanted to check in. We're keeping the habit. We're holding ourselves accountable to pick your brain for the day. I want to know what is your most proudest accomplishment to date? And I want to know, what do you want to accomplish? What are you working towards? And what are you grateful for that you've already accomplished? Definitely want to know those things, so let me know. But today I don't have the time, so I'm uploading just to make sure that we're keeping the habit, and I'm extending gratitude. I feel like this has kind of replaced my journaling in a sense, because typically I journal every single morning, which I still do, but on like yesterday I didn't get to journal, but I got to do this and it made me so happy because I'm still fulfilling like what I want to do for the day. And this is like one of those things that I'm like, no matter what happens, I want to do. So I'm so grateful that you guys are here with me, that we're able to spend this time together, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm just gonna say some kind words, affirmations, you know, but nothing too crazy, nothing too long, because I want to keep this short and sweet, and I want to get this uploaded as quickly as possible. I'm gonna grab my journal actually, because I wrote down some good things this morning and I was so proud of myself. y'all, I am spending some time with family, which is very important to me, and being present, you know, because it's so easy to be like, ooh, post, but I'm like, no, present. Pursuing presence. Okay, let me grab my journal and get y'all on a roll. One day you guys will be giving me the affirmations and then I will be saying them. Okay, so today I am releasing anything that no longer serves me, any grief, any pain, any hardship that I've held on to from my past. I'm releasing. And you can say that with me. I am releasing any grief, any pain, any fear that I'm holding on to. I am setting myself free. I am freeing my spirit. I am cleansing my soul. I have hope. I have life. I have love all around me. And I am so grateful for each day that I get to share in waking gratitude. For each moment, each breath that I take, I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I am trusting and have unyielding faith. I know that great things are on their way to me. And I am not waiting for the great things to show up, because I have trust. At any moment, at any time, things can get so amazing for me. And I trust that. I am asking for God to bless my situation, to bless where I'm at and bless where I'm going, to constantly keep me in his prayers. I am loved fully, wholly, and unapologetically, and I treat myself with the same grace that I would want from others. That same grace that I would give to others. I am filled with compassion today. I am leaning on God's strength. I am honoring him. I am walking in love. I give myself permission to feel, permission to release, permission to let go of anything that has been standing in my way. Anything beyond the surface, anything around me that no longer serves me, I give myself permission to let go and let God. have faith in my future, in my present. And I am celebrating those mistakes that have taught me. I'm moving a little too fast. I am celebrating those mistakes that have taught me the lessons that I need to learn. I am so grateful to be here today. I am kind to myself today and every day moving forward. I fully allow myself to exist in the present and solely in the present, with hopes for the future, with no regret or remorse for the past. I am letting things be. Today, I am walking in surrender. Thank you guys for being here with me. I did not want to miss today because 30 days and we're already 2 weeks in. Like, cannot break this habit. Thank you guys so much for being here. Oh my god, let me show you my bouquet before I go. Look at my bouquet. It's a fall bouquet. It's orange. It's so cute. And look, it has like the little wrapping. Oh my god, I love this. But go about your day with grace. I just hit my window. Go about your day with grace. I will see you tomorrow. Kisses.